What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In this video, it is super cold. I am in my furry jacket because I'm a wuss, and it's like minus 13 degrees in Celsius. Today we're gonna be working back on the Audi again, doing the turbo because it doesn't boost because there's a bad leak and I think the compressor is dead. So we're gonna jump straight into this. We're gonna be doing a multitude of things. We're gonna do the oil, changing the oil, draining the oil, changing the oil, doing the oil sensor, and the turbo. So we're doing like 4 or 5-ish things today, and I'm pretty stoked to actually be able to drive this. And then the final thing will just be able to clean it, hook the radio up, and blah blah blah. Let's kind of jump into what I need to do here. So get this out of the way. My goal is not to take the front end off. There's just too much work. I don't want to deal with it. I'll be more cryptical and just kind of, I'll take out the way I'm going to do this. I'm going to take out the headlight, airbox, all the lines and everything that zigzag around the turbo, of course. And then from there, of course, the fuel evap system, vacuum lines, which I don't know if I'm going to reconnect. I'm just going to leave this purge here. But the first thing is going to take out the headlight, and then we're going to move to the airbox, and then it's going to be the charge pipe and the cold side of the intercooler or piping. And then I'll probably take out the power steering because way down there is a power steering pump that isn't even connected. There's no belt on it, nothing, because this car didn't actually originally have any kind of air conditioning. And who needs air conditioning when you can literally just open windows, open the sunroof, and have a good time? My girlfriend will argue differently. We're not gonna waste any more time. Start with taking off the headlight, and then we're gonna jump into the airbox and get this turbo unbolted, because it's really sketchy, because that turbo's only held on in that darkness down there with one bolt on going to the downpipe. So that's gonna be simple. It's just getting to the other bolts, pulling off the lines. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop boring you with talk and show you some action. We'll jack up the car and get straight to it. Damn. That really sucks. Okay, so next, I'm gonna clamp the hose lines, disconnect the hoses, and then from there, I'm probably just gonna disconnect the manifold. Sorry, the manifold here, and then I'm going to disconnect the downpipe and the cat. Don't really care if the studs break because they're being replaced. So, and he put 2 freaking nuts on it. It blows me away. And then I broke the freaking one of the charge pipes. Okay, for me being a destructive little guy with the pipe, I decided to just drain the oil. That's my next. Holy shit, was that ever on tight. Do this quickly. It's probably gonna puke oil everywhere. Here it comes. Oh. Oh my god, that is milky looking. Oh. That's not good. I really hope that's not what I think it is. No, that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad, actually. Huh. I'll just let that continue to drain, and we can carry on back to the turbo itself. Oh, there's the turbo out. And it's puking fluid. I think it's puking out basically all the water and antifreeze that was left in this, but here's the turbo. Woo! Damn, I would say this turbo is blown. Jesus. Look, I don't know if you can see it because of the shadow, but there is no wastegate left in this. Like, whatsoever. That whole thing is just seized. Yeah, I have no words. So here it is, the old turbo here. I took my gloves off, probably a bad idea, but ooh. Turn it into my, look at the wastegate itself. Like, the whole thing is seized and does not exist. That is so metal in the worst kind of way possible. Like, the absolute worst kind of way possible. Because, like, this is massive. Like, I'm gonna reuse the return line and of course the oil line right there. I don't know if mine actually has that, so I'm probably just gonna take that line and everything. But I'm actually gonna cover this turbo swap over to into 2 videos, just because it's so much work just to get the turbo off and so many like other things we're doing on top of it. So I'm gonna end it here, and in the next video when my turbo actually comes in, we'll put it on, we'll swap everything out, and it'll be absolutely fantastic. I can't wait. So you know the drill, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and stay tuned for more content. Until then, Valiant out.